about the trim? Like, I mean, if you really start looking at the baseboard and the casing and stuff like that, what are we going to do in those areas to prepare those?
Yeah, those areas are, especially door jambs, right? A lot of times we tend to drag our hands across the door frames when we're walking out, right? You're going to get a lot of body oils, things like that. We want to just make sure they're clean. Getting that, your body oils and dirt and grime off of it is what we want to get off as well.
On a paint grade jam and casing, what would you use for the cleaning product?
You can do your basic, water. Little soap and water is always good. You don't want to put anything that's on there that's going to react with your paint after you apply. That could cause issues with adhering. So, just a good cleaning. The white scrub pads that Mr. Clean pads are real good.
The eraser pads.
Yeah, the eraser pads. Those get off a lot of stuff. I use them at home all the time. So.
Okay.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home